Hello. Our new topic today is about GEMDAS. Stands for Grouping, Exponent, Multiplication, Division, Addition, and Subtraction. G stands for simply expression inside the parenthesis first. And E, the exponent should be simplified before doing the four arithmetic operation. M, multiplication or division as they occur from left to right. And A, as addition, do addition or as a subtraction as they occur from left to right also. Ang pattern natin ito is like this arrow. Magsisimula ang operation, ang pagsisimplify ng equation through the letter G, the groupings. Ang groupings niya kailangan ma-eliminate from inside grouping going to outside grouping. Yan ang general rule. Kaya kung may grouping siya sa loob, tatlong grouping, unahin natin yung grouping na nasa loob na mas-simplify before going to the next grouping or the third grouping. And then also yung gagawin natin, yung exponential niya, exponent niya, i-simplify natin agad. Then pag na-simplify na yung grouping tsaka exponential, then proceed natin ang multiplication. Then kung mauna man ang division or multiplication, pwede natin gawin basta ang gagawin from left to right. And also addition and subtraction, ganun din ang method from left to right. Ang uling proseso is addition and subtraction. So maggagawa tayo ng example ito para malaman ninyo kung paano ang pag-simplify ng equation using the GEMDAS. Ito yung arrow from grouping going down, dan ang format. Magsisimula ang simplification sa grouping, then exponential, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So magbibigay tayo ng bagong topic, bagong problem. Ito yung unang problem number 1. Problem number 1 state that 3 squared times square bracket of 6 plus 4 times parenthesis 7 minus 5 close parenthesis minus 18 divided by 9 times 3 square bracket. So simplify natin to. Anong una? Groupings. Ito una nating simplify, then at the same time yung exponential niya simplify na rin natin. You all know that 3 squared is 9 times yung bracket na to, square bracket, 6 plus 4 multiply by 7 minus 5, tanggalin natin yung parenthesis para ma-simplify na to, is 2, then minus ano yung sunod na pagkayari ng groupings and exponential? This division. Ito, pwede natin simplify natin to. 18 divided by 9 is 2 times 3. So, 9 times. Remove na, ang gawin naman natin, simplify naman natin nasa loob. 6 plus 4 times 2 is 8. Then, minus 2 times 3 is 6. Then, remove natin yung bracket. Simplify natin itong buo is 9 times 6 plus 8 is 14 minus 6 is 8. So, the answer is 72. Answer. Ito naman yung problem number 2. Simplify din natin. Ang equation, naka-indicate na si equation na to is 14 minus 2x brace 3 times bracket 4 plus open parenthesis 9 minus 8 close parenthesis minus 12 bracket minus 3 braces. Okay. So, simplify natin muna. Ang gagawin muna, simplify natin ang grouping sa loob, palabas. Ito ang nasa loob, ito yung internal na grouping, uunahin natin to, then palabas tayo. Sunod nating i-eliminate, sunod na bracket ito, square bracket. Ang sunod nating i-eliminate itong third bracket. Okay. So, for the meantime, ito muna ang i-simplify natin yung na internal bracket natin, parenthesis. So, write natin muna 14 minus 2x 2 times 3 times 4 plus 9 minus 1 is 9 minus 8 is 1. Then minus 2 bracket again minus 3 bracket. Okay. Ngayon naman, ang i-simplify natin yung pangalawang bracket na sa internal, ito dalawa. Itong bracket ito, square bracket. So 14 minus 2x minus 2 times parenthesis of 3 times, ngayon simplify na natin to, 4 plus 1 is 5 minus 2 is 3. Then minus 3 bracket. Okay. Ngayon naman, ito na lang natin ang bracket natin. I-simplify naman natin to. Paano pag-simplify ito? Siyempre, unahin natin yung multiplication before subtraction. 14 minus 2 times 3 times 3 is 9 minus 3 is 6. Ayan na siya. So, ano gagawin natin? Multiply first, then subtract. 14 minus 2 times 6 is negative 2 times 6 is negative 12. So, the answer is 2. Answer. Number 3 problem naman, state that 4 squared, open parenthesis, 4 squared plus 2 squared times 4, close parenthesis, plus 5 is equal to 29. So, ang gagawin natin muna natin, yung exponential, bago natin i-group, matanggal ang groupings, exponential natin is i-apply na natin agad. 4 square is 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 2 square is 4 times 4 plus 5 is equals 29. Yung 4 squared like this is equal to na 4 times 4. So equals 16. Ito naman 2 square is equals to 2 times 2 is equals 4. Iyon yun. Tapos ngayon, i-remove natin ngayon yung parenthesis. Anong gagawin natin dito? Multiply natin muna itong dalawang ito bago natin i-add. 16 plus 4 times 4 is 16 plus 5 is equals 29. So, 16 plus 16 is 32 plus 5, 37 is equals to 29. So, 37 minus 29, lipat natin itong 29, magiging minus, is equals 8. Answer. Yung 37 na to, yung 37 equals 29, ganito yun. Yung 37 dito, introduce tayo ng minus 29 is equals to 29 minus 29. Pareho lang, makakancel to. Ito naman magiging, ito makakancel dyan. Ito magiging ano? 8.